a closure to this, the beginning of a 3-day vigil. You know, for what it's worth, we really are here to talk to the bishop. This is your church. That's where you live. That's where you work. We're here because we got to start in our own house, our Catholic house. Because there's a real problem in this state. And I think you heard it from Father Dave. You're not going to hear it more authentically. Or Reverend Bob. Bishop, we want a moral teaching about this war policy that's going on right now in our city, 24/7. Bishop, we don't need your opinion about whether it's a good policy or not. You don't need to tell us that it's easy to look at drones and condemn them. That's a no-brainer. Your statement from Princeton that Father Battaglia passed on to us simply doesn't cut it. So those folks in Princeton, not even in the state, you say to them, it's easy to make the case that drones push us farther from peace. Targeting killings sow anger and unrest among countless people whose lives are upended. With a quick missile strike from a drone here or there, or in Des Moines, we imagine our country are made safer. But the reality is that this policy perpetuates violence, terrorizes communities, and radicalizes people who otherwise wouldn't be hostile to us. Really a no-brainer there, folks. You bomb people, they hate you. They multiply. Simple thinking, I'm with you there, Bishop, but that's not a moral statement. You say, who else otherwise wouldn't be hostile towards us? That's it. That's all you gave. Look, it's very simple. We want you to teach whether this war making in the sky is just, is moral, is illegal. We want you to use the statement you signed in 2014 during the Obama administration. 2-page statement you signed and all the other bishops signed to tell the Obama administration that their armed drone program in 2014 was not legal, was not just, was not moral. Now you told them the problem with your teaching as a teacher, Bishop, is when you teach someone you need to test them. You never took that statement. You never brought it home. All of you guys. And now here we are. 4 years later, Donald Trump is president. And the drone armed warfare in this country is multiplying over and over. We're killing more people day in and day out. The president doesn't even want to know about it. He just says, do it. And he told the American people, if we're going to win this war, we got to kill their families. The man said it. Plain daylight. A criminal president. And we got a criminal, moral, Christian leadership in Iowa who will not speak out. Please, Bishop, for God's sake, speak out.